In this video, we are going to study about rhinoscleroma, also called as Mikulicz disease or Hebra nose. It is chronic granulomatous disease of nose caused by gram-negative bacillus Klebsiella rhinoscleromatis or Frisch bacillus. It is seen more often in northern than the southern parts of India. Pathology: disease starts in nose, extends to the nasopharynx, oropharynx, larynx, trachea and bronchi. Mode of infection is unknown. Both sexes of any age may be affected. Clinical feature: the disease has following three stages. Atrophic stage: it resembles atrophic rhinitis, characterized by foul smelling, purulent nasal discharge and crusting. Granulomatous stage: in this, granulomatous nodules are seen in nasal mucosa. There is subdermal infiltration of lower part of external nose and upper lip, which gives woody feel. Nodules are painless and non-ulcerative. Cicatricial stage: this causes stenosis of nares, distortion of upper lip, adhesion in the nose, nasopharynx and oropharynx. There may be subglottic stenosis with respiratory distress. Diagnosis can be made by biopsy. Biopsy shows infiltration of submucosa with plasma cells, lymphocyte, eosinophils, Mikulicz cells, and Russell bodies. Mikulicz cells and Russell bodies are diagnostic. Mikulicz cells are large form cell with a central nucleus and a vacuolated cytoplasm containing causative bacilli. Russell bodies are homogeneous eosinophilic inclusion bodies found in plasma cells. They occur due to accumulation of immunoglobulins secreted by plasma cells. Causative organisms are cultured from biopsy material and culture is diagnostic. Complement fixation test or Levin's test, it shows antibodies against the causative organism, and radioimaging can also be used. Treatment: streptomycin 1 gram per day and tetracycline 2 gram per day is given for at least 4 to 6 weeks, and it can be repeated after 1 month if it's necessary. Treatment is stopped only when 2 consecutive cultures are negative. Steroids can be added to the therapy to reduce fibrosis. Surgical treatment may be required in later stages of fibrosis to establish the airway and correct nasal deformity. Radiotherapy is not effective. Thank you.